Good afternoon from MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be taking a look at a recent trade-in. It's a Yamaha AR195 2017 model with approximately 20 hours on it. It has the forward wakeboard tower, bimini top, galvanized trailer with a swing tongue. Boat is 19.5 feet long, with an 8-foot 2-inch beam. Weighs approximately 2,500 pounds. It has the 1800cc Yamaha motor in it with a top end speed about 49 miles an hour. Ideal cruising speed of 32 miles an hour. This boat is rated for 8 passengers. It has a 40-gallon fuel capacity. Standing at the back of the boat, now facing forward, just wanted to point out a couple things. This particular boat does have a Garmin GPS chart plotter and a marine stereo and snap-in carpeting as well. Lots of seating with this U-shaped seating as well. If you have any questions on this particular boat, please feel free to call us here at the store, 251-981-1113. Once again, MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama, 251-981-1113. Thank you.